Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Welcome everyone. I really appreciate your patience for having sat through all our biographies of so many mentors. But then the drama that you saw and the dance, it really filled our hearts with so much of excitement, right? Right? So everything that comes with a lot of patience definitely results into a great fruit or a great result. And we hope as you cling on to the program, we will really experience much more joy to come together. Okay, with all of our hearts singing and dancing to the tunes of the holy names with each other. And also, we want our hearts to be deposited here, right? And when we go back, we want to go back as our bodies and doing everything else as perfect as possible. Definitely try to understand this concept better. Thank you so much. Let's begin with small prayers. Om Gyantimirandasya Gyananjana Shalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadam Mayam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunathanvitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Shri Vishakhan Vithamscha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dina Bandhu Jagatpate Gopesha Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha Kalpatarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya eva cha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namaha. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Nama Om Vishnupadaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine. Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Deshatarine. Hare Krishna. Hindi, English, Hinglish, right? Everybody is conversant with Hinglish. It's a newly found language in our country, right? So I always like to begin with this small intro with whatever number of girls I have ever interacted in my life. 10, 5, 15, 500, jitne bhi ho. I always feel it's so difficult to sit and listen from the audience, right? Because you really have to give your time, your consciousness, your patience, your attention. And weekend time जहाँ पे पूरी दुनिया enjoy करती है, मस्ती करती है, आप वो सब छोड़कर टेम्पल में आए हो. आपको बाहर वाले लोग साइकिक बोलेंगे, right? But then when you actually come to such a divine satsang and जब आप जीवन के purpose को पता honestly speaking, at the age of 18, 19, who wants to know what's the purpose of life? Anybody here? Really? Dhanya hai aap. When I was 17, 18, I only wanted to enjoy. I just didn't want anything else from life. How many want to enjoy? Come on, be honest. How many of you want to enjoy? कितने लोगों को मजा करना है लाइफ में? Obviously, right? कौन भगवान को टॉर्च लेके ढूंढते हुए आता है? कोई आता है? 17, 18 is like meant to enjoy. टॉर्च लेके ढूंढने का काम मेरे दादा दादी का है, मम्मी पापा का है, right? Is that correct? No, बहुत सिंसियर बच्चे हो. एटलीस्ट मैं जब आई थी मैंने ऐसे सोचा था. So I very well sympathize when young girls sit there and listen, because they have really made that bold, courageous step to come to say no to the material pleasures for those 2 hours and then come and sit in the audience and listen to something that your heart hardly resonates with. Right? Because हमें ये preachy language, preachy सब कुछ छोड़ दो, भगवान का नाम लो. आप में से कितने लोगों को ड्रामा का पहला पार्ट रियल लगा? Please raise your hands. Right? कितने लोगों को ड्रामा का सेकंड पार्ट रियल लगा? Quite an honest audience, huh? अगर मैं आपकी जगह होती, मुझे ड्रामा का पहला पार्ट रियल लगता, ड्रामा का सेकंड पार्ट लगता नहीं, वो कहानी है. Right? Because that's the world we come from. Those are the experiences in the college, in the societies, in the friend circle. हमारे ऐसे experiences है कि पहला part real है, दूसरा part, oh, that's not meant for me. वो सिर्फ जो बहुत साल भक्ति में रहते हैं, बहुत बड़ा तिलक लगाते हैं, बहुत बड़ा कंठी पहनते हैं, जिनका माला भी बहुत बड़ा होता है, वो सब उनके लिए. कितने लोगों को ऐसा लगता है, right? It's so natural at our age just to enjoy, right? But if you just add, मैं भी आपके जैसे सोच रही थी. So currently I've just given you my introduction. मैं कैसे भक्ति में आई थी. Like when I had taken up to Krishna consciousness, I was just 17, 18 like you all. And मैं exactly यही waves of thoughts मेरे गुजरते थे दिमाग में. But then you can see me sitting here, right? After almost 25 years, 30 years, I'm still here, right? तो अगर आप सब भी ऐसे सोच रहे हो, तो आप परंपरा में हो. And एक दिन आप सब भी इधर आ जाओगे. Right? So that's the normal way to look at it. That we all want to just enjoy and have no rules and regulations over oneself. Right? है ना? But जैसे ही हम भक्ति को अच्छे से समझने लगते हैं, पहले enjoyment करते हैं. जैसे आपने देखा, सबसे पहला introduction आपने ISKCON का देखा था. It was dance. How many of you love dancing? All of us love dancing, right? So हम इस प्रोग्राम के एंड में एक बहुत बड़ा धमासान डांसिंग कीर्तन करेंगे, जहाँ पे आप डिस्कोज में पे करके जाते हो. यहाँ पर विदाउट एनी चार्ज. आपने ये इवेंट के लिए कुछ पे किया है? नहीं. बट यू कैन डांस टू योर फुलेस्ट एक्सटेंट. योर सोल विल स्टार्ट डांसिंग, राइट? वो सब कुछ फ्री में मिलता है, राइट? एंड आपका जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन है, पैर थपथपाने लगते हैं और मन बदलने लगता है. मन के तार बदलने लगते हैं, दिमाग के कड़ियाँ खुलने लगती है. ये सब शुरू कैसे होता है? पैर के थपथपाने से. पेट के में अंदर जब प्रसाद जाता है ना, राइट? सो ये सब ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है, राइट? सो प्लीज़ हैव फेथ इन द प्रोसेस. अभी आपको शायद लगे कि नहीं सेकेंड पार्ट इज़ नॉट रियल, बट अगर आप सिंसियर हैं, अगर आप रियल लव को सीख कर रहे हैं, देन इट इज़ डेफिनेटली पॉसिबल टू कम टू द सेकेंड पार्ट एंड ऑल्सो टू कम दिस साइड ऑफ द स्टेज. एंड फिर हम सब यहाँ पे जो अपने बड़े हम लोग को देखा था ना बैठे हुए सबको, राइट? एक दिन हम सब उधर बैठेंगे, ओके? और आप सब, द फ्यूचर ऑफ आवर जनरेशन विल कम दिस साइड एंड एनलाइटन ऑल ऑफ अस. डू यू वांट टू डू दैट? गिव योरसेल्फ अ बिग हैंड फॉर दैट. ओके, so with that small introduction, I would like to begin the talk for today, and we are already running short of time. So I'll try to keep as crisp as possible. Generally, I'm not known for short lectures at all, but then I'll try my best because I really sympathize with you, and I'm really compassionate in terms of not allowing the audience to stretch beyond the point. बिकॉज मुझे ऐसा लगता है उन पे अत्याचार हो रहा है बियॉन्ड द पॉइंट बिठाया तो जैसे हमारे टीचर्स कॉलेज में, इट्स सो डिफिकल्ट टू सिट इन द क्लास एंड लिसन टू अ टीचर. एटलीस्ट फॉर मी इट वाज. यू ऑल आर वेरी सिंसियर स्टूडेंट्स एंड मेनी mentors are very sincere here, but I'm just talking about myself, not you all. So I'll try to keep as crisp as possible to cover the topic for today, and I hope and pray कि आप इसमें से वो कुछ ले जाएंगे जिससे कि आपका हृदय ट्रांसफॉर्म हो सके and you get the real goal of life. Okay, so can we begin? Are you all with me? I can't hear. Thank you so much for that encouraging applause. Okay, so what's the topic for today? Okay, इसमें से love पता है आपको? कितने लोग love जानते हैं? Okay, how many of you are in love? Mataji, that's too private a question. How can you ask it so publicly? Right? Okay, how many of you love your parents? Thank God. So you know what's love, right? Right? How many of you love yourself? यहाँ पे कोई है जो अपने आप से प्रेम नहीं करता? Self गद्दार? Nahi, right? So we all know love, right? Why do you always think love has to be towards what Bhavna was showing everyone? You know, love it's not necessarily only towards one person. Love can be for many people, right? But क्या करें माता जी, ये एज ही ऐसा है, यहाँ पर लव आ जाता है तो पेरेंट्स के प्रति रिबेल होता है, हाँ, फ्रेंड्स के प्रति मस्ती होती है. अब लव तो एक के लिए ही बचा है. अब वो है नहीं है, सिचुएशनशिप है, DTR है, पता नहीं. Right? So we don't know what it is. So we are confused. But then, yes, we all know what is love. And do you all know what is liberating? What do you mean by liberates? Anybody? Salvation. Oh, wow, great. Any other inputs about liberates? What do you mean by love that liberates? आपने क्या सोचा था ये topic देखकर? Sorry, that one which has no birth and death, जिसका कोई शुरुआत नहीं है, कोई अंत नहीं है, और कोई पीछे से. What do you think love that liberates? It's free love. वो love जिसमें पंख होते हैं और हम गाते हैं पंख होती तो उड़ आती रे. राइट? अभी आप लोगों को शायद पता नहीं है, कोई हंसा नहीं, ये हमारा 1950s का गाना है. राइट? तो आजकल की दुनिया में you can modernize it. Next drama, maybe the girls will come up with that, right? So love that liberates means where you're free to do what you want to do, right? Love is not supposed to bind you. Love is supposed to make you as free as possible. So that's what you understand by this topic. तो इस दुनिया में जो प्रेम होता है उसमें कैसे हम इतने बंधन में बंधते हैं, और ऐसा प्रेम जो हमें बंधन से मुक्त करके कहाँ पे ले जाता है? ऊंची ऊंची ऊंचाइयों तक लेके जाता है, आसमान में. डू यू वांट टू नो अबाउट दैट लव एंड हाउ टू गेट दैट लव? 2 घंटा लेके आए हो यहाँ पर, इतना तो सीख के जाना चाहिए, राइट? सो लेट्स गेट टू द जर्नी. यस, नेक्स्ट प्लीज. सो bonds that free us and uplift us. So this is a Gen Z love. Right? No words, no actions, only likes, swipes, subscribes. ये हमारा Gen Z love है, right? इतना हम सीढ़ी चढ़ते हैं, फिर क्या होता है? एक हार्ट ब्रेक एंड धड़ाम. स्नेक एंड लैडर खेला है बचपन में, राइट? तो वो हार्ट ब्रेक्स हमारे स्नेक एंड लैडर की तरह है, राइट? एक ऊंचाई पे लेके जाता है, फिर तुरंत धड़ाम हमें नीचे डाल देता है, राइट? सो दिस इज द Gen Z love. This has so many emojis. How many of you get influenced by emojis? किसी ने आपको हार्ट भेजा तो how many become excited? Obviously, right? I mean, it's very obvious, right? And किसी ने आपको appreciate नहीं किया, thumbs up नहीं किया, then what happens? आप क्या सोचते हो? Down. Why you feel down? Not acknowledged, not appreciated. She does thumbs up to her and not to me. सोचते हैं ना ये सब? This is real us, right? This is us. But हमें एक जर्नी तय करना है, यहाँ से लेकर वहाँ तक, right? So that's what is the journey. So आज के Gen Z love में हमारे लिए ये सब बहुत important है. वो हंसी वाली emoji, how many times do you use it? That laughter emoji, lol, right? So many times you use it. I mean, there are 2 extreme emojis that we use. That lol and that वो रोता हुआ. Right? So all the girls I'm looking, seeing, see those two girls, how excited they are. Right? They are like, yes, you use these two emojis, you use these two emojis, right? So this is our surface level expression of love. Right? ये हमारे ज़माने का love है. But let's go beyond these phases. Okay? Next, please. So what exactly is love? ये तो आपके हिसाब का love हो गया. तो अब हम थोड़ा जानना चाहेंगे कि अच्छा ठीक है, ये अगर रियल लव नहीं है, फेक लव, जैसे भावना ने कहा या जो ड्रामा में था, राइट? सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट्स ट्रू लव. आपने अपने एंसेस्टर्स या ग्रैंडफादर्स, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से सुना होगा, हमारे ज़माने में प्यार ऐसे नहीं होता था. सुना है ना? आपने कभी पूछा है फिर कैसे होता था? किसी को इंटरेस्ट था? ऑनेस्टली नहीं था. We were like, जो आपके ज़माने में होता था, आपको मुबारक. जो हमारे ज़माने में हो रहा है, if you can share with us the feelings, join along. If you can't, please leave us alone. Wow, that's Gen Z. Right? मैं कितनी अच्छी तारीफ कर रही हूँ ना आप सबकी. Right? But yes, let's accept the reality. So love is neither a fantasy, जो हम फेरी टेल स्टोरीज इमेजिन करते हैं ना, एक राजकुमार आएगा. राजकुमार बहुत पुरानी बात है, सॉरी. एक मर्सिडीज बेंज से कोई उतरेगा, राइट? एंड जब वो नीचे पैर रखेगा, आई रिमेंबर लास्ट टाइम आई वाज हियर एंड आई यूज्ड द सेम एग्जांपल एंड इट्स एवरग्रीन, एवर फ्रेश एग्जांपल. You all can anytime. मैं आज I can relate after 20 years of my marriage. I can still relate to this. So you also young girl, Mercedes Benz से कोई उतरेगा, ऐसे बाल करेगा, right? And फिर वो ऐसे चश्मा डालेगा, and then सब चार लड़के, चार लड़कियाँ जा रही होंगी, वो लोग ऐसे मुड़ के देखेंगे. That's our concept of love, right? Can I request for silence? Those who are all around. Can I request some mentor to take that responsibility? Sakhi Priya, can you please request everybody around? Hare Krishna Matajis, can we please have silence? जो एक्स्ट्रा सब खड़े हैं, can you all come back? देखो, लाइफ में हंसना भी ज़रूरी है, स्ट्रिक्ट होना भी ज़रूरी है, ठीक है? आप लोग और अच्छे से हंसे, इसलिए थोड़ा स्ट्रिक्ट होना भी. Got the point? Thank you. So love is ना, कहाँ पे थे हम? कौन से कॉलेज में थे? सबको याद है. Everybody is very attentive. We were at Mercedes. The boy or the girl coming out, and the hand rolling, goggles. Goggles ही बोलते हैं ना कि कुछ नया word है? वो ही है ना? ठीक है. Thank you for updating me. So, goggles, and then we think, oh, वो मेरे लिए आएगा, वो चार में से किसको देख रही है या देख रहा है, and वो मुझे कब देखेगा, and the swipe, एक dating app में सब खत्म. All our focus is consumed towards somebody else, and हमें लगता है अब कल मैं सुबह, हम इतने आस लेकर आते हैं ना, कल मैं सुबह आऊँगी तो क्या होगा, वो ऐसे करेगा, वो ऐसे करेगी, वो वैसे करेगा, and then the person looks at some other girl altogether. And then आपका सारा जो इच्छा था वो क्या हो जाता है? हताश, fully dissolved, right? फिर फिर टीचर कुछ भी बोले, प्रीचर कुछ भी बोले, हमारी नजर किस पे है? right? मेरे फीचर पे. Right, so we think love is some fantasy like that, and at your age, it's the way it is. I wouldn't say it's allowed, but that's not allowed actually. But it's the way it is, it's the way the world has put it up. It's the way the world has made it. Okay, in your age, it's absolutely normal to feel like this for love. So love is neither a fantasy which is out of our reach. मेरा कभी, then we come to a conclusion. मेरे साथ तो ऐसे ही होना था. देख, उसको मिल गया, उसको मिल गई, उसको मिल गई, अब मैं हूं ना, इसलिए मुझे. So what we feel love is out of reach. पूरी सपनों की दुनिया बनाकर then it is out of reach. But then love is neither the फिलॉसफी जो हमारे ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, हमारे जमाने में बेटा बेटी, एंड देन यू आर लाइक एंड देन इन अ मिनट यू गायब, राइट? तो हमें क्या लगता है, दादाजी मम्मी, अभी दादाजी भी बहुत दूर की बात है, मम्मा दैट्स योर टाइम, इट्स नॉट माई टाइम, chill mom, freak out, right? You don't know, you're not updated, right? And some really Gen Zs hardly bother to even update the mamas. Right? They just walk off, right? So हमें क्या लगता है जो हमारे बड़े बोल रहे हैं वो क्या है, शो स्टॉपर, you will never understand, drop it, right? हम ऐसे कह के निकल जाते हैं. So love is neither a fantasy which is out of reach, nor it is a philosophy which is like a showstopper, right? मम्मी मजाक किरकिरा मत करो, जाओ ना, हटो ना, right? सबसे ज्यादा प्राइवेट टाइम मोबाइल के साथ पेरेंट्स के साथ हो सकता है. आप मोबाइल के साथ क्या ढूंढते हो, खोपचा, एक कॉर्नर, right? So that nobody disturbs you, nobody is a showstopper, right? So that's the two extremes generally people go through, right? उनको लगता है love is everything, or there is nothing in love as per my parents and grandparents and as per my own experience. But what is actually love? Love is neither the two ends of the pendulum. What is it? It's a legacy. It's a legacy. Whether you realize it or not, whether you believe it or not. मैंने अभी तक आपकी बातें की, you all agree? मैंने आपको बोर किया? Oh, ठीक है, can I end the class? जोर से? Thank you. So अभी तक मैंने आपके मन की बात समझी, right? अभी हम अपने मन की बात बताएं? सुनोगे? Thank you so much. So love originally exists from the time immemorial. बहुत पहले से वो, you see some teachers loving their subject, right? What you all love, I mean, except for, people, what is it that you love? Anybody from here? What do you love to do? Or anything? Anybody? Food, wow, yes. Dance, abhi hone wala hai. Anybody else from the back? What do you love? Kirtan. How many love to deck yourself? Deck up, come on. Don't tell me you have come in night dresses. You all have come properly dressed up, right? How many of you love watches? Oh, how many of you love nail arts? Oh, very good. I don't have any nails though. You show yours? Okay, great. How many of you love straightening? Oh, very good. So you all love something, right? तो ये प्यार पहले से था. जैसे टीचर एक सब्जेक्ट को प्रेम करती है, गुरु अपने शिष्यों को प्रेम करते हैं, माता पिता एक दूसरे से प्रेम करते हैं, वैसे ही हम सब एक दूसरे से प्रेम करते हैं और भगवान भी हमसे प्रेम करते हैं. So वो प्रेम जो है टाइम इमेमोरियल से है. So what if you don't believe it? Right? हम कहते हैं ना, like sometimes when the girls are said, Beta, you have to follow some etiquettes, there are some rules and regulations. Don't you believe in them? Mama, I don't care. Right? And आप टीचर को जाके बोलोगे, टीचर, I don't care. What will teacher say? Fail. Even I don't care. Right? So when you say you don't care something, who cares? What exists, exists. Right? आप में से कितने लोगों को बूढ़ा नहीं होना है? Right? But does the universal law really care about it? सबसे, मैंने I think last class में यहीं पे कहा था, when you grow older or when the sign that you're becoming older or you're growing gray hairs, आपको बुढ़ापे का डर कब आता है? कौन सी एज में आता है? कब आता है? 50? Quite optimistic. 30? Quite pessimistic. 20? My God, not of this Gen Z. It is said when you feel too insecure about getting old, when you see the first white hair. Oh my God! शादी भी नहीं हुई है. White hair, that's the first time you feel insecure about your age. right? So we all love to be ever fresh, ever young, right? But it's a legacy that has been given to us from time immemorial in so many relationships, in so many subjects. Love exists in every field of life. How many times you say this? Oh, I love to go traveling. I love to freak out. I love what else? You know, dancing, singing, kirtan, eating, freaking out. You know, कितनी सारी चीजें हम बहुत enjoy करते हैं, right? So love exists on different platforms. So love is a legacy that we have to live. And उसको जीते जी क्या हो जाता है? एक सफर बन जाता है. It becomes a journey. Currently our love is on what platform? On what I like and what I don't like. Can your mama say, I don't like to cook today? Can your mama say that? No? Can your father say, I don't like to give pocket money anymore to you today? Chalega? Right? What will you tell them? Whether you like or don't like. Who cares? You have to cook and you have to give me. Right? So similarly, whether you like or you don't like, love is a legacy. Love is a journey. We begin from somewhere and end up to the goal. Next, please. So what is this legacy? It's legacy of love. आपने ये गेम खेला है, relay race, right? जिसमें baton होता है, and then one person keeps handing on further, and it, you know, the journey is on. Similarly, जो भी आपने प्रेम के बारे में सुना है, महसूस किया है अपने पेरेंट्स से, अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से, राइट, वो सब क्या है, एक बैटन की तरह आगे जा रहा है. एंड यू आर फीलिंग इट, एक्सपीरियंसिंग इट, passing it on as the legacy of love that has to pass on. Currently, we are very flickering, you know, we are pursuing fleeting love. Fleeting love यानी कि ऐसे पकड़, कितने लोगों ने तितली पकड़ने की कोशिश की है? Very interesting students, very engaging audience, very good. सब normal लग रहा है. Right? So तितली पकड़ते, कितने लोगों ने पकड़ा है actually? Wow, very good. Very bold students also. Okay, कितने लोगों का पकड़ते पकड़ते भाग गया? Right? तो ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें होती है कि हम पकड़ने जाते हैं और वो भाग जाता है. Right? So love is like that. आप जितना उसके पीछे जाते हो, कभी वो आपके पास आता है, कभी वो आपसे दूर चला जाता है. But आपको क्या करना है? भागते रहो. कहाँ सुनते हो ये? जागते रहो. ये आप सबको जगाने का तरीका था. Right? So just like love is a legacy, love is also a journey, and so we have to keep pursuing it. Right? So let's see what does this legacy means. Now don't become scared. As I said, I don't like to bore my audience as much as I don't like to get bored. So I'll quickly go through them as fast as I could. Okay? Are you with me? When you get bored, you have full rights to tell Mataji, time up. Then I'm okay to switch it off. Okay? And then we'll only get to the next part of the program. Sure? So L stands for liberates. That we'll talk about. E stands for G stands for A stands for भावना ने ड्रामा में कहा था, come on यार, people need to accept you the way you are. You know, people can't condescend you, people can't look down upon you saying, A moti, you know, A dubli. Sukudi, dubli bhi nahi, dubli is very respectful word, right? So, you know, A kali, A gari, A totli. Not this way, right? People accept you for what you are, your internal qualities are, okay? So that's acceptance. C stands for what is situationship? Sorry for this quiz, but so what is situationship? You just, you know, try couching, situationship, and so many other things, you know, cuffing. आप क्या करते हो ये सब? You just keep everyone back up, breadcrumbing. Sorry, मैंने थोड़ा research किया. I don't know any of it. But मैंने थोड़ा research करके आई हूँ just to match up with your vocabulary. You know, so you keep so many things as backup. You want to try everything but not commit to even one. होता है ना, because we fear commitment, right? So legacy love also means to keep that commitment. Do you think your parents are committed towards you? उनको अगर लगा देख 17 साल हो गए, मैं बोर हो गया तुझसे, चला जा, चलेगा? आपने कितने लाते मारी अपने पेरेंट्स को, याद है आपको? हाँ, वेरी गुड. जिसको भी याद है, आपके पेरेंट्स को जाके पूछिए कितनी बार हमने उनको बचपन में या जब खिलाते समय, हमें नहलाते समय, कितनी बार हमने उनको कितनी तकलीफ दी होगी. स्टिल दे हैव बीन कमिटेड टू अस. एंड हम क्या बोलते हैं? ममा आई डोंट लाइक, गॉन, फिनिश, डोंट टेक हिज नेम एनी मोर. राइट, वी से दैट. But had your parents done that with you, do you think you would be here? So what is love? Commitment. Okay? Whether you like it or not like it. And the last one is yearning. Next, please. Hare Krishna. Yeah. No, the previous one. Yeah. So love means liberates. Now what do you mean by liberates? आजकल लोग love को क्या समझते हैं? Options. ये एक ऑप्शन, ये एक ऑप्शन, ये एक ऑप्शन. विच वन? जैसे उसकी फ्रेंड ने कहा था ना, कल और एक कर दूंगी यार, राइट? और एक डेटिंग ऐप में बुक कर दूंगी, मुझे आज सोने दे, राइट? सो लव नो मोर इन इट्स ट्रू सेंस और एवर इट हैज बीन एन ऑप्शन. Right? Love is an obligation. Sometimes we also see the other extreme, like sometimes our mothers tell, क्या करूँ, अभी कहीं जा नहीं सकती हूँ तो अभी निभाना पड़ेगा. You have heard this dialogue from your mothers? Right? Your fathers also, huh? Let's not, poor thing, they also tolerate a lot. Your fathers also, right? अब क्या करें, निभाना पड़ेगा, right? So generally there are two extremes. People feel love is either an option or an obligation. They feel love is either an obsession or obstruction. I remember this in 1994 when Miss Sushmita Sen, she had become Miss World or Miss Universe, one of them, Miss Universe, and उसके बाद उनकी एक मूवी आई थी, दस्तक मूवी, and very old movie, and उसमें यही बताया गया था कि कैसे एक कोई फेमस हो जाता है तो उसके पीछे लोग obsess हो जाते हैं, so much so that the so-called storyline goes like the person kidnaps the other person with whom he is obsessed. तो सोचो अगर ऐसा कोई प्रेम हो कि आपको किडनैप ही कर ले, हाँ, that's called what? Obsession. पागलपन है वो. Is that liberating? No, it's like putting you fully under their control, which is not the kind of love we would want. Right? Big nods. Thank you. So love is neither an obsession and कुछ लोगों को अभी क्या करूं, तेरे पापा मना करते हैं, मम्मी मना करती है तो ज्यादा कुछ नहीं कर सकता, अब ऐसे ही है, ये जो है ये ऐसा ही है. दैट ऑल्सो वी कीप हियरिंग एट होम, राइट? कितने अलग अलग लाइफ होते हैं ना. कॉलेज में एक लाइफ, घर पे आने के बाद दूसरा ही लाइफ, हमारे मन में जो चल रहा है वो तीसरा लाइफ, जो टेम्पल में चल रहा है वो चौथा लाइफ, व्हाट्सएप की दुनिया पांचवा लाइफ, राइट? द सोशल मीडिया, आई मीन हाउ मेनी लाइव्स वी हैव टू लिव विद, राइट? वो सारा क्लटर कहाँ क्लियर होता है? टेम्पल में क्लियर होता है. Because someone really loves you on the basis of your soul. They do not love you on the basis of your fame, position, your talents, your skills. They love you on the basis of your soul. Okay? So it's neither an obsession nor an obstruction. Love, if it shrinks you, अगर आप किसी से प्रेम करते हैं और वो बहुत आपको सुकड़ा देता है, आपको बहुत सहमा बना देता है, नहीं कर सकती, क्या करूं, अगर ऐसा कुछ कर देता है और यू आर सो फियरफुल, देन दैट लव इज नॉट लिबरेटिंग. इफ यू रियली एक्सपीरियंस ट्रू लव, इट ओपन्स अप अनदर वर्ल्ड फॉर यू. जो सच में आपसे प्रेम करता है ना, वेदर इट इज योर पेरेंट्स, योर सिस्टर्स, योर सिबलिंग्स, योर फ्रेंड्स, व्हाट विल दे से? जा बेटा, कर लो दुनिया मुट्ठी में, राइट? That's love. Of course, they're always there backing you up. They don't let you go to the wrong path. But love opens up the whole world for you. And the last is, it is neither insecure or it actually inspires our worth. It does not make us insecure. कभी-कभी होता है ना, तू उससे बात कर रही है, क्यों इतना मुंह फुला के बैठे हो? Because you are looking at somebody else. Come on, love cannot be so binding that I have to talk only to you. Love means you empower me to do whatever I wish to do within the limits. Correct? तो जब आप इनसिक्योर फील करते हो, बहुत ज्यादा इनसिक्योरिटीज आ जाती है, आप किसी से बात करते हो, किसी से फ्रेंडशिप कर लेते हो, बचपन में हमने ये सब देखा है ना, अभी भी कॉलेज में होता है, राइट? ये इसके साथ बात कर रही है तो ये अलग ग्रुप, ये उसके साथ बात कर रही है तो ये अलग ग्रुप. You all go through this? Thank you so much for all the smiling faces. You know, I'm sure you're all reliving your college life through these explanations of love, right? So you go through all of it. This is real. But what is real love meant to be? It is meant to inspire your real worth. It's meant to expand your world. Next, please. Break free the bonds. It empowers. You know what's love bombing? आपके vocabulary में से जो मैंने पढ़ा है. What's love bombing? You bomb someone with so much love that they blast. Right? That's love bombing, because bomb में क्या होता है? Blast होता है. Right? That's actually kind of a control mechanism to keep the person within one's control. And how does it control? तू ये नहीं खा सकती, तू ये नहीं पहन सकती, तू वहां नहीं जा सकती. Over possessive, right? How many of you have some relationships like that where people try to control you? Honestly. Good. Thank you. Thank you for being real. Right? So that's kind of love bombing that people do. इतना bomb करते हैं love से कि आप पूरे blast हो जाते हो. Right? That's not the love that liberates. What does real love do? It empowers you and not entangles. वो आपको घुटन नहीं महसूस करने देता. वो आपको क्या महसूस करने देता है? खुली सांसें. Right? There's this beautiful song which is about nature. आवारा भवरे जो हल्ले हल्ले गाए. आगे का मुझे आता नहीं है, but जो भी वो है, but that one line itself is so beautiful. You know, it talks about the nature. So when your soul opens up to receive the vast nature and its beauty, then the heart expands to love. Right? So it does not shrink you. It does not entangle you. It does not, bind you. What does it do? It makes you free. So love should empower. There's this example where, there were 3 daughters and they all wanted to participate in a football match. And the father felt, how could you do this? You're a girl. You cannot play a football. And especially हमारे छोटे से town जैसे इसमें, where it is so difficult for you to get any footage in that field. But the girls were determined, and seeing the determination of the girls, the father decided, I will fight for them. मैं उनको सिखाऊंगा फुटबॉल खेलना, मैं उनको सिखाऊंगा कुश्ती करना. Right? And then they actually made up to the national level and the international level. So what is this? Love does not entangle. If someone really loves you, they will inspire to reach you to your potential, to your highest potential. आपके अंदर की जो अच्छाई है ना, वो बाहर निकालते हैं. Yes, it taps and peps one's true potential. There was this beautiful story, आपने बहुत बार सुनी भी होगी, but I'll just like to repeat in this context. एक ईगल का एग था जो हाँ सबको याद है, राइट? बट देयर आर मेनी अदर्स हू डोंट नो, सो कैन आई रिपीट विद योर परमिशन? थैंक यू. सो ईगल का एग था एंड वो गलती से मुर्गियों के एग्स के बीच में आ गया था. जो हेन्स होते हैं ना नीचे, जो चिकन वगैरह, उनके हेन्स के बीच में आ गया था. एंड व्हेन द एग मैच्योर्ड, द सिबलिंग, द ऑफस्प्रिंग ऑफ, नॉट सिबलिंग, द ऑफस्प्रिंग ऑफ द ईगल केम आउट. एंड क्योंकि वो सारे चिकन हेन्स के बीच में रहता था, उसको लगता था आई एम ऑल्सो सपोज टू be on the ground, दाना चुगते हुए, I'm supposed to be going around. But then एक दिन एक साधु आया और उसने देखा कि ये तो ईगल का बच्चा है, ये hens और चिकन के बीच में क्या कर रहा है. But the farmer who was taking care, वो जो स्टेबल जिसका था, he said नहीं, अब वो आ गया तो आ गया, let him be there. अब हमको उससे प्रेम हो गया है तो let him be with us. अब हमको भी उससे प्यार हो गया, उसको भी हमसे प्यार हो गया, जाने दो ना, धरती पे जीने दो ना. So साधु said no. The eagle is meant to soar high in the sky, and the hens and the chicken are meant to just pick up some grains on the ground, and they have a different purpose. The eagle has a different purpose. How could you limit the eagle? तो फिर फार्मर ने कहा अच्छा ठीक है, अब उसको नहीं जमेगा, वो बहुत बड़ा हो गया, he cannot fly now, he's forgotten to fly. Sadhu said, I will try. So the farmer said, okay, try your luck. So then he took him to towards the tree and said, oh eagle, fly, fly, fly. ईगल ने बोला नहीं, मुझे अब ऊपर क्यों उठा रहे हो? I'm meant to be down. बोले नहीं, मैं meant to fly. Just try opening up your wings. And the chicken, not the so-called chicken, but actually the eagle's offspring, it tried, opening up its wings, but it fell down because वो उसको आदत ही नहीं थी. So the farmer said, I'll try again next day. So next day, he went to the cliff of the mountain. And फिर से उसने फेंका. Try. You're not meant to be on the ground. You're meant to be soaring high in the sky. आकाश तुम्हारी दुनिया है, जमीन नहीं. जमीन पे सीमित मत रहो, आकाश में उड़ो. तब ये ईगल बोलता है, नहीं, छोड़ दो मुझे, छोड़ दो. उधर नहीं, इधर. ऊपर नहीं, नीचे छोड़ो. बोले नहीं, तुमको ऊपर उड़ना है. Again, he releases the eagle, and the eagle goes somewhat at a distance. And then it realizes, oh, I'm able to fly. Just because the sadhu inspired, motivated, and revived my innate ability to fly. किसी ने याद, जैसे हनुमान को याद दिलाया था जाम्बवन ने, right? मुझे याद दिलाया. So he began to fly. But within no time, he became tired and he was like, no, it's not me. And then again, he came down. And third day, sadhu said, अब मैं तुम्हें सीधा ऊंचाइयों पे छोड़ूंगा. And he really went to a cliff from where he could never come back. So he just left the eagle the next morning, and the eagle realized that it's actually meant to fly high in the sky and not be limited to the ground, picking up the grains like other chicken. So what is this? A real person who loves you. The real love is what? One who empowers you to become your best potential. Okay, next. G, toxic love. I have purposely put this negative, connotations or the opposites, the contradictions of what it's really meant to be and what it is not. Right? So, toxic love hota hai. What is toxic love? Which harms you, which exploits you, which covers you, overpowers you, आप कुछ भी करना चाहते हो, आपको emotionally blackmail करके चुप करा दिया जाता है. Sometimes it happens with some unfortunate people. That people try to maneuver you, people try to cheat you in the name of love, people try to blackmail you, people try to take advantage of you. तो ये सब क्यों होता है? Because people are toxic. They want to trouble you. In the name of love, they really give you a lot of pain. That's toxic love. So we should be very careful that we are not getting carried away by people who give us pain in the name of love, right? So what is love meant to be? It's meant to give us, देखो हमने पंछी का example दिया ना, हाथ से लेकर उड़ो, right? Which gives you your best potential. Just like Dhruva. ध्रुव महाराज, उनको अपने grandfather से बड़ा जब, साम्राज्य चाहिए था, तो उनकी माता ने कहा कि जाओ जंगल में और भगवान को ढूंढो, केवल वही तुम्हारी इच्छा पूरी कर सकते हैं. तो नारद मुनि ने आके टेस्ट किया, छोटा बच्चा है, किधर तपस्या करेगा, जा महल में जाके खेल. ध्रुव बोले नहीं, इंसल्ट हुआ है. आई एम सो बैडली इंसल्टेड, आई एम ह्यूमिलिएटेड बाय माय फादर, बाय माय स्टेप मदर. I want to achieve my goal. If you can help me. Else, please leave me. आपका ही डायलॉग है. बट कहाँ पे है? भागवतम में है. Right? It's originally in Srimad Bhagavatam. Leave me alone because I want to be focused on my goal. Right? And then he continued. Then Narad Muni gave him a mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. और 6 महीने वो करते करते then the Lord gave him दर्शन and said बोलो क्या चाहिए. तब तक उन्होंने क्या बोला? खत्म हो गई इच्छा. होता है ना, प्यार मिलते मिलते इच्छा खत्म हो जाती है. सबको रियलाइजेशन है, राइट? सो वैसे ध्रुव को वो साम्राज्य मिला, बट देन ही सेड नाउ आई डू नॉट वांट एनी किंगडम, बट द लॉर्ड सेड नाउ यू शुड टेक इट, बट यू शुड रूल इट विथ कृष्ण कॉन्शियस atmosphere, with Krishna conscious principles. Be the best of the kings as Raja Rishi, and I will give you a planet in your name. इसलिए हम ऊपर देखते हैं कितने लोग तारे गिनते हैं रात को. Really? Very great. Good. This is our fantasy world. कभी नहीं गिने में होगा, but we still try to count them. तो वो तारों में एक बहुत चमकने वाला होता है. Did you observe it? What is that tara called? Dhruv Tara. Because what does it teach us? You have to be focused like Dhruva to achieve your goal and not get carried away by all these distractions, temptations, allurements. Like how Hanuman was crossing over the ocean to fetch Mother Sita. Right? There are so many distractions. Mainak, Surasa, Simhika, but he was always focused, right? So we don't get carried away by what happens in college life. We don't get carried away by what happens in the WhatsApp life. We don't get carried away by what happened in our mind life. And we don't get carried away by what happens in my life. We don't get carried away by what happens in our people around, in their life, right? What are we focused on? Real love that's attributed to the soul. Okay? So that's the real, freedom, real love, which has the freedom to speech, express, and also explore many choices that you are allowed. जैसे ध्रुव को choice दिया था ना, जाओ आप देखो आपको क्या करना है, right? So that's a real freedom which is judged by its result. Now here I have something to add. What do you mean by freedom? Free. जो free मिलता है वो freedom है. Freedom बहुत मुश्किल से मिलता है, by the way. What do you mean by freedom? Anybody from behind? Come on, you're free to speak. You get to whatever you want. मन के मालिक, मन मर्जी. सुना है ना? Right? तो वो freedom अगर हमें ऐसे मिलता भी है तो कई बार हम उसका गलत फायदा उठाते हैं. कितने लोग उठाते हैं? मम्मी ने बोला आज स्वीट्स खा सकते हो, एक पे रुकते हैं, दो पे पॉकेट मनी. स्वीट्स इज लाइक वेरी सिंपल एग्जाम्पल, छोटे बच्चों को देना चाहिए, आप लोग को नहीं जमता होगा. बट देन पॉकेट मनी, लेट्स टॉक योर लैंग्वेज. पॉकेट मनी, पापा ने बोला ले लो पॉकेट मनी, आज तुमको फ्रीडम है यूज करने का. आप क्या करोगे? इतना यूज करोगे, फुल ऑन, कल फिर से दे देंगे. So when freedom is not regulated, freedom is not guided, freedom is not put into proper limits and fencing as per what is good for us and what is not good for us, or unregulated freedom is also very dangerous, right? लड़कियां खुली रात में घूमती रहती हैं, right? लड़के खुले आसमान में उड़ते रहते हैं, तो क्या होगा? धड़ाम, नीचे गिरेंगे, right? So freedom also has to be experienced by its result. That which is favorable for you, that kind of freedom can be explored, but not the freedom. जैसे लड़कियां कहती हैं ना, मम्मा why only brothers get all the freedom to stay late at night outside, right? होता है ना, भैया को कुछ नहीं बोलते हो, सिर्फ मामा जमाना 21st century है, Gen Z जमाना है मॉम, right? ये सब हम कहते हैं, right? But we should not exercise wrong choices in the name of freedom. Freedom that protects us is much better than freedom that harms us. So be careful of that, okay? So that's judged by its result, and discipline is the real freedom. ये पढ़ने में कितना अच्छा है. But if I really peep into your hearts and say, discipline is our real enemy. Correct? We all believe that? Oh my God, let me do what I want to do whenever I want to do, please. Right? But we need to practice real discipline to experience the real freedom of the right choices, so that we are not in a bigger mess later on in life. That's real love, which gives and gains. So in your relationships, those who give you freedom to talk to different people, to explore different options, and जो आपके success से insecure नहीं होते हैं. You know, some people are very insecure when you talk to others. आपके friends हैं ऐसे? And you know, जिसको एक्चुअली अच्छा नहीं लगना चाहिए, बट कुछ लड़कियां होती है जिनको बहुत अच्छा लगता है. She becomes very insecure when I talk to someone else. Right? Why do they feel that? Because they feel they are wanted. Right? But that love which actually creates that kind of insecurity in someone is not the love that liberates. It's the love that binds, because it attracts negative vibes. Okay? Next, please. And A is meant for acceptance. इसके बारे में मैंने already आपको थोड़ा बता दिया था. So I'll quickly go through this slide. So it's not love haze. You know what's love haze? Full haze. कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है, सिर्फ मेरा love दिख रहा है. वो धर्म करे, अधर्म करे, मेरे ऊपर अत्याचार करे, या इनसिक्योर हो जाए, मेरे बारे में गलत बातें करे, मेरे सामने किसी और से बात करे, या मेरे सामने मुझे कमिट नहीं करके मेरा फायदा उठाए, तो भी क्या है? वो मेरा है, वो मेरी है. This is like you're blind to the reality. You're blind to the dangers. You're blinded, right? So we should not be living in a love haze where you're not able to see the person for what he or she is, right? So love means what? You accept the person for what they are, because no relationship is going to be perfect. Are your parents perfect? Is your friendship perfect? Are you perfect? Who is completely satisfied with their hairs? No, you have such beautiful hair. Who is completely satisfied with their height? Oh, very good. Those who are completely satisfied with their height, are they completely satisfied with their complexion? Are they completely satisfied with their lotus eyes? We are not perfect. So you give up yourself. I'm of no use. You continue, right? Similarly, relationships also are not always perfect. You need to accept the person with their, the inferior nature or the other side of the person. कि ठीक है, ये इतना loving है, ये इतनी loving है, तो उसके साथ साथ उसका ये weak point है. ये उसके, we have that SWOT analysis in corporate world, strengths, weakness, opportunities and threats, right? So every strength will have some weakness associated with it, right? So let's accept people for what they actually are, which is acceptance. Then we appreciate, actually we can speak a lot on each of these topics, but I'm just pressing it further. Appreciate, where love can, the important A's of love are, you don't just keep the appreciation to yourself. ऐसे बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं ना जो वेट करते हैं, ये बंदा जाएगा तो उसको appreciate करूंगी. We only realize the importance of the person after they have left this world. Let us not wait for that day. Let us appreciate people for what they are, right? And accept people for what they are. And then we also show affection. How do you show affection to each other? Gifts, okay. What else? Service. Who said it? Thank you so much. Service is the most powerful way of showing someone that I love you. In fact, our spiritual master, His Holiness Radhanand Swami Maharaj, he always says this. Love means to serve. To serve means to please. And to please. Suppose agar main aapko bolu, how many of you all want to please any senior devotee? In this case, if I'm sitting here, if you want to please me, hypothetical situation, I don't want you to please me, but in case if you want to. Are you ready to please? Right? And if I say, please sit here till 10 o'clock and please listen to my class, will you be ready? Yes. I was not expecting that answer. Honestly speaking, let me be realistic, I would not. Right? Even I would not make you sit so long. I'm sorry. It's a hypothetical example to show when you love someone, it demands sacrifice. Right? So love means to serve means to please, and to please means sacrifice. Do you think your mother sacrifice? आप ऐसे ही बड़े हो गए? Do you sacrifice for your mothers and fathers? Our biggest sacrifices we live with them. Don't tell me that. No, without sacrifice, they have sacrificed their sleepless, they have spent sleepless nights, they have sacrificed their pleasures, their comforts, their luxuries, their sleep, their energy, just to raise you up to the point where you are today. Right? So service is very important quality for love, where we want to please the other person and not just think what pleases me. See, I like pizza, you should like pizza. I love to fly in the sky, whether I die or not, you should come with me. Right? I love to go to movies, whether I like or not, whether you like it or not, you should come with. This is what? Enforcing love. This is love bombing. Right? So love means you allow the person to explore his or her options. You do not impose your stuff on the other person. Although you may guide, you may reflect, you may, inspire them to do what is good and discourage them to do what is not good. To not do that, right? So that is, the affection that we show in terms of different instructions, etc. And the adaptation. We start adapting to different situations. Do you really think your parents have adapted to each other's lifestyles? Do your parents have the same nature? Do your friends have the same nature? अरे चल छोड़ना यार वो ऐसे ही है, जाने देना, छोड़ देना. How many of you use this dialogue? So many of you use right because you know that even 5 fingers are not same. How can you expect 5 people or 2 people to be same? Right? So when you really love someone, you're ready to adapt to their situation. I'll tell you a very beautiful example. There were this husband and wife from 2 different countries. I think Italy and France, if I'm not wrong. Please forgive me if I mess up with some of the details in the past time. But there was this couple who were almost on the verge of divorce. And they went to a sadhu, they went to Maharaj, and they went to this sadhu and they said that we are getting divorced. And then the sadhu said, for what? She doesn't love me. He doesn't love me. What makes you feel that? You know, this wife of mine, एक ही wife है, this wife of mine, as if he has many, this wife of mine, she gives me the sides of the bread, which is the biggest insult in our culture. And the wife is like, what? How dare you say that? She didn't say, I never gave you the sides. You know what was her side of story? She said, Maharaj, in our culture, the sides are given to the most important person in the family. And the person whom we love the most. Maybe in France culture or something like that. Or in Italy culture, sorry, the husband was from the France. So she says, in our culture, the sides are given to the most. What are the sides? Bread crumbs. Bread crumbing, say bread crumbs to divorce. Right? So this husband felt so astonished he was to realize, oh my God, it was her way of expressing love. And then Maharaj said, your problem is solved. All you had to do is talk about breads. Right? There was this another couple who got married, a Maharashtrian got married to Gujarati. And Gujaratis love meaty dal. And Maharashtrians and South Indians can't take jaggery and sugar in dal. So one husband, when husband went and said, Maharaj, this wife of mine, एक ही wife है. This wife of mine, she puts jaggery in the dal. And Maharaj is like, so what? Big deal. And she's like, Maharaj, when we are really happy at home, we put jaggery in the dal. So what is all this? Different cultural, anecdotes, different cultural details that may have to be adapted to in a relationship. Right? So relationship, real love means what? There will be differences. But if you really love the person, we would like to adapt those changes as far as possible without losing your core self. The last one is allowance, which we have already spoken in terms of options. Next, please. We just have 2 more, okay? So commitment, we have already spoken quite a lot about it. मैंने आपके parents का example देते हुए भी कहा था. Love that liberates is actually committed love. It's not fleeting love. It's not changing love. It's not optional love. Without commitment, there can be no love. Right? Even your simple college demands commitment. Do you all agree? Right? आप 1 साल जाओगे, टीचर बोर हो गई मैं, प्रॉक्सी दे देना, कर लेना. Is it possible? Not possible. Even college life demands commitment. Do you think love, which is a matter of soul, will not demand commitment? But हमारा एज कैसा है? माताजी ठीक है, but हमारा एज no commitment. Our only commitment is to WhatsApp, to social media, and thorough, determined commitment to Insta, Twitter. Right? ये हमारा commitment है to post something, to keep posting on and to update the whole world about what's happening with me instead of to see what's happening within me. Right? So love means commitment, whether you like it or not. अभी शायद अच्छा नहीं लगे, but at least theoretically we should know and start training ourselves to commit to the person, to the process, to the college, to the goal that we have taken up on ourselves. So that's commitment, which is not all the other your vocabulary of Gen Z. Okay? And love also demands trust, faith, loyalty, respect, and service. All this can have a seminar on each. We can have a seminar on each. But then these are all very important foundational elements of a committed love, a love that liberates, right? And the last one is How do you show commitment? How does your parents show commitment to you? Do they take care of your mental health? Do they take care of your emotional health? कॉलेज से रोते रोते आए, मम्मी क्या बोलेगी? ठीक हो जाएगी, कोई बात नहीं, छोड़ दो, बोलती है? Yes? Yes, थोड़ा समझाने के बाद बोलती है. You're right. I don't want to say anyone, that it's not the right experience. But yes, the parents are very much concerned. Is the daughter all right? Is the son all right? Is my family all right? If somebody is crying and a mother can't be, so insensitive to neglect the crying child, right? So commitment means there is mental commitment. When something goes wrong, you have someone to consult who gives you good guidance, not guidance like mantra. We may have many mantras in our lives. Be careful, right? We should have friends like Vidura, right? We should have friends like Krishna who guide us on the right path, right? So that mental health, emotional health, physical health, financial health, and situational commitment, all this put together becomes a committed love. Next, please. The last one, yearning. Now, what is this yearning? Everybody wants to love, whether you like it or you don't like it. कुछ लोग बोलते हैं, hey, ये love वाव सब क्या है? सब बेकार है, right? But they also need love. Maybe they are frustrated with love because ऐसे heartbreaks होते हैं, तो we don't have any hope to once again put ourselves into that mess. But the true love exists. I always tell this to all the mothers, all the girls, all the children. Your class has a topper. Each of your class may have a topper. How many toppers here? Only first bencher, na? Back benchers? Toppers, please raise your hands. Okay, good, thank you. Good to know that you recognize each other. Those who are toppers, are others neglected? Not necessarily, right? But do you think I am not topper, so nobody can be topper? Is it right? Forget is it right or wrong. Is it a reality? It's your haze world, right? Just because you are not the topper does not mean there is no topper. Similarly, just because somebody is frustrated with love does not mean there is no real love. What tera experience hai? How many of you like gulab jamun? I hate gulab jamun. The best sweet in the world is? Please, best sweet in the world? Rasmalai, Kaju Katri, Kalakan, Jalebi. Wow. Khichdi. Rabdi, okay. It's hardly any difference, right? But if I say the best sweet in the world is Karela ka halwa. How many of you believe this? You believe? Very good. Some courageous soul. Because love is going to have all the things. Love is not going to be always meetha meetha, acha acha, right? Love means there'll be this and there'll be that. There'll be highs and there'll be lows. There'll be pains and there'll be pleasures. But what do you mean by frustrated love? जो बहुत frustrated होता है ना, उन्हें लगता है love wow कुछ नहीं होता है. But that's not the reality. Everybody seeks love, whether they believe it or not. सबको भूख लगती है? अभी लगी है ना? हाँ, आप लोग तो 10 बजे तक बैठने वाले थे खाते खाते. No, I'll just release you in some time. So, जैसे सबको भूख लगती है, which is a need of the body, there is a soul in all of us, and उसका need क्या है? Love from each other towards Krishna. And it is that Krishna from whom we come, as it is said that Nityo Nityanam Chetanas Chetananam. And Jivere Swarupoy Krishnera Nityadas, Aham Sarvasya Prabhavo. Right? What is all this? That it is said that we are all belonging to the super soul, the one God. We are part and parcel of that God. And being, abhi tak apne Krishna ke photos dekhe the? What famous pictures you come across of Krishna? बांसुरी बजाते हुए, हाँ, माखन चोर, और कुछ गीता ज्ञान, और कुछ कालिया, काउस, गोवर्धन, फ्रेंड्स, दामोदर, रास लीला, राइट? इतने सारे गोपियों के साथ वो खेलते हैं, राइट? सो गॉड इज ऑल लवेबल, ऑल प्लेजरेबल, बहुत एंजॉय करते हैं भगवान, राइट? इतने सारे पास टाइम्स आपने बताए, तो हम भी उसी भगवान के हिस्सा है, क्या हम एंजॉय नहीं करेंगे? एंजॉयमेंट इज अवर हक. We deserve enjoyment, as we began in the beginning, right? We said in the beginning that we all deserve to enjoy, but just we should know how and where to enjoy. So it's very natural yearning of everyone to seek love, but just that we find in wrong places in this material world. जो हमें सही happiness, सही प्रेम नहीं दे सकता है, हम उसमें प्रेम को ढूंढने की कोशिश करते हैं. And love is eternal and practical affair. Love is moment to moment. All seek love. And then the George Harrison, the Beatles group, बहुत आपके लिए outdated है, but just to introduce you, the Beatles is a big, पता नहीं आजकल कौन है वो, Jonas Brothers, if you know, who's BTS, okay, something like that, I don't know, right? So that's the Beatles. Oh, it quite rhymes with, the older version, right? So they were a very, very famous rock band group. And this George Harrison, who was so influential, कि वो एक स्टेज पे आने के लिए लाखों लोग खड़े होते थे उन्हें वेलकम करने के लिए. That was his influence and power. And he had written, once he had met the devotees of ISKCON temple, Srila Prabhupada, and when he realized the real nature of the soul is to love and to be loved, he made a song on it, Oh My Lord. Right? And that's for the first time in the rock world, people got to know what it means to actually love on the platform of the soul. Because as souls, we all want to love and be loved. Right? So to summarize the whole thing, we need to keep this legacy of love going on. Right? The only difference that we need to bring about is, don't invest your love in the temporary material relationships, right? Your parents are not fully material though. Your parents are the ones who have sacrificed for you, right? When I say material, what it means, the fleeting happiness, the allurements, the distractions, the college life, and the emotional, trauma that you go through, the emotional turbulence that you go through, the waves and the vibes and the hormonal changes that you go through, the mental blocks that you go through, उसमें से ऊपर उठना है, right? Instead, invest your heart and your soul into something which is long lasting, which is eternal, and that is who? Krishna, right? Because he is the God of love. He is the Lord of love. So I really hope and pray that all of you, those who have come today, have understood something from this presentation. Did you? Did I bore you to some? I must have, let's be honest. But then, thoda to kuch mila hoga, right? Right? So please try to embrace love that liberates and not love that binds. Have that discrimination. And your discrimination becomes better when you associate with sadhus, when you associate with scriptures, when you associate with the Lord and his devotees. Because वो pencil sharp करते हैं ना हम, right? वैसे हमारा intelligence भी sharp होता है. Then we get the strength to say no to the wrong things and to say yes to the right things. Just like you saw in the drama, how beautiful it was. Give them, drama girls, a big hand. Right? So just like they have taught us, we also know the first part is quite real of the drama, but the second part is eternally real. So let's put ourselves in that, pool of devotees and drown our soul into experiencing the love which is actually liberating and not binding. Thank you very much. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Anant Koti Vaishnav Vrinda ki jai. Please stay tuned, stay back, and those who are really getting late can just honor Prasad while being there in the backside. But there's lots more coming up. There's beautiful activity that we have planned for all of you with the lamps. There's some performance also now, and quite a lot of things yet awaited for all of you. So if you possibly can, you can stay back, and those who are really getting late and in a hurry, they can try to at least watch it from behind and give full attention to the program going on. Thank you so much. I really thank Hyderabad Temple and Amrita, Navya, and all the other advisory boards, Sakhi Radhika Mataji, and Divya Leela Mataji, Aradhita Mataji, Vrinda Kund Mataji, Champaklata Mataji, Karuna Radhika Mataji, and all the other mentors. Please forgive me if I've missed some names, for giving me this opportunity to come and speak and share some words on love that actually liberates. Thank you so much. Please forgive me for my shortcomings. Hare Krishna. So this whole activity, ये जो आप इतना सुंदर पिक्चर देख रहे हैं, you all know this. What is this लीला? दामोदर लीला. तो यहाँ पर कृष्णा किससे बंध गए? यशोदा मैया से. क्या भगवान को कोई बांध सकता है? तो फिर यशोदा मैया ने कैसे बांधा? वो भगवान से बड़ी है, प्रेम से बांधा है. Love that liberates, right? So this is one of my favorite pastimes and the favorite pictures. बिकॉज ये भगवान ऐसे हैं, कृष्णा खुद बंधे हुए हैं रस्सी में, बट जब हम इनको दीप ऑफर करते हैं तो हम लिबरेट हो जाते हैं. कितना आयरनिकल है ना. आपके पास जो है आप वही दे सकते हो, राइट? मुझे अगर तेलुगु नहीं आता है, कैन आई स्पीक तेलुगु? मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, कैन आई गिव मनी? मुझे नॉलेज नहीं है, कैन आई गिव नॉलेज? नो, राइट? अच्छा, आई गो देयर. So I can't give what I don't have. मेरे हाथ जंजीर में जकड़े हैं, क्या मैं आपको छुड़ा सकती हूँ? किसी और के सहारे की जरूरत होगी, राइट? बट यहाँ पर कृष्णा बंधे हुए हैं. But when we offer the lamp in Kartik month, what happens? We become free from the cycle of birth and death. That's the unique God that we have. खुद बंधा है, बट उसको देख के, उसके ऊपर सॉन्ग आके, उसकी चोरी को मना के हम फ्री हो जाते हैं, राइट? वो है चोर और हम बनना चाहते हैं धार्मिक. दैट्स कृष्णा, राइट? बिकॉज उनकी चोरी भी मन को मोह लेती है, राइट? जब हम चोरी करते हैं कर्मा लगता है, वो चोरी करते हैं हम फ्री हो जाते हैं, राइट? दैट्स द यूनिक काइंड ऑफ, यू नो, द लॉर्ड दैट ही इज. So it's this entire enaction is about celebrating this particular concept of the love that actually liberates. Okay? Kanha, oh Kanha, Kanha, oh Kanha, why do you trouble me so, oh Kanha, Kanha, oh Kanha. Here I run and run and run, and you seem to have only fun. Here I run and run and run, and you seem to have only fun. And now I can't tie you up, oh Kanha. And now I can't tie you up, oh Kanha. Yashoda, 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 Yashoda. Don't I Kanha now, Yashoda, Yashoda, Yashoda. Though a butter does he steal, only love for him we feel. Though a butter does he steal, only love for him we feel. Please don't tie him up, Yashoda. Please don't tie him up, Yashoda. Maiya, oh Maiya, Maiya, oh Maiya. I seek your soft butter and love, that's all I'm ever hungry for. That's all I'm ever hungry for, and there's nothing above. Oh my, and there's nothing above. Oh my, Jiva, oh Jiva, Jiva, oh Jiva. Why do you suffer in this world, oh Jiva, Jiva, oh Jiva. All that you ever seek here is in my love, my dear. All that you ever seek here is in my love, my dear. Then I still your soft hearts like butter. Then I still soft hearts like butter. Kanha, oh Kanha. Everyone, Kanha, Kanha, loudly, Kanha, oh Kanha, Kanha, oh Kanha. We offer a lance of love, oh Kanha. We offer a lance of love, oh Kanha, Kanha, oh Kanha, Kanha, oh Kanha. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Everyone, Hare Krishna. Clap your hands. Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare. From the heart. Rama, 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 Hare Hare. Once again. Krishna, 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 Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Everyone, raise your hands. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama. Please stand with raised hands. Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Once more from the heart. Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Ram, Ram Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Dance it. Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,